Hey everyone! How you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. Oh my god, it has been a minute since I've sat down and filmed for you guys. I've been doing Vlogmas like crazy. I haven't really been in my studio very much, so this is kind of fun and different and funky fresh up in here. But today's video, I actually wanted to do a little bit of a holiday gift guide. This is going to include some makeup, some skincare products, just taking advantage of this time of year. There's a lot of bundles out there. I personally feel like skincare is killing it with all the bundles. A lot of the bundles I'm going to be showing you guys today and talking about today are primarily skincare. Of course, we're going to throw in some makeup because duh, but also I have to say that I'm personally more impressed with the skincare bundles this year. Like, I feel like I'm like, shit, okay, brands, I see you, skincare. We're getting ready to go to Mammoth too for my birthday. My birthday is December 14th on Saturday, and every year I always go to Mammoth to celebrate my birthday with a few friends and a few people that actually like to ski or snowboard. You know what I mean? Because it's hard. It's 4.5 hours away from LA, and it's hard to get people to go up there, especially this time of year. So I mainly only really invite the people that are skiers or snowboarders or want to truck on up to Mammoth for me. Without any further ado, let's just get started, shall we? I'm like so excited. I'm like so hyper. Let's go. This is my favorite time of year. I haven't done a holiday gift guide for you guys in a minute, so I'm just excited to do this. My nodes are also in full effect, so don't mind them. Okay, so the first product I want to talk about with you guys is the big box of lippy pencils from Colourpop. These are 40 count, and it is literally every single lip liner that you would probably need under the sun. I am a huge Colourpop lip fan. I love their lip liners. I literally use the Makeup Shayla BFF4 pencil all the friggin' time. I actually need to order more of that. That is gonna be on this list as well. These pencils are really great. They're for everyday use, like lots of nudes, reds, purples, darker browns, even some blue and green in there, purple. For some of you who are a little bit more adventurous when it comes to color, this is what a Colourpop pencil looks like, and that's what it looks like inside. You can sharpen it. I personally think they've done an awesome job with their bundles this year, so I definitely wanted to include this first on the list because I do think that this is something that literally every person under the sun can use, and a lot of the times I'll actually use a Colourpop lip liner as my entire lip color and then just go over it with a gloss. That's kind of been like my go-to recently. I love these. I really love these, and I think they're a great gift to give any makeup lover. The next product I want to actually talk about are two foundations, and this isn't a holiday bundle. This isn't really anything like that, but I wanted to recommend some products that aren't necessarily in a holiday bundle because, you know, not everything in a holiday bundle is really that useful. And like I said, I really was more impressed with the skincare holiday bundles. So I want to talk about two foundations with you guys. I have always said that, sure, there are amazing drugstore products out there for skincare. I mean, Colourpop has some great foundation products as well. However, I have always been the type of gal that if I'm gonna splurge on something, I'm gonna splurge on my foundations. So I really highly recommend, especially, you know what, this time of year, like, treat yourself, put it on your list, ask your mom, your boyfriend, your dad, your girlfriend, whatever it may be. I really think that you guys should either put the Dior Forever Skin Glow on your list and or the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. These are my two favorite foundations that I have been using since like September, October. I currently have on the Jouer Forever Skin Glow. They're both amazing for people who are a little bit more on the dry side. I also feel like if you have normal skin, you can get away with wearing these. These are literally my two holy grails, my two ride or dies. And I'm really sorry, you guys. I know my voice sounds like shit. I just have vocal nodes. It is what it is. I'll probably need to get surgery in the new year, but I also need to drink a lot more water than what I'm doing, so yeah. But I highly recommend adding a bougie foundation on your holiday list, on your gift list, on your list, whatever, your Hanukkah list, whatever it may be. I really think that these two are my favorite out of this entire year that have come out with skincare. I also really like the Fenty Beauty one, but I really think that these two stand out the most to me. And again, the Dior Forever Skin and the NARS. So I really, really recommend these. I don't think you'll go wrong with them. They both have medium to full coverage. You can really build them up, and I just love the way they look on my skin. I really think that NARS and Dior crushes it with their foundations. So had to make sure to include these bitches. Up next on the list is actually something that I normally, I don't use this brand a lot, but when they sent me their PR of their lipsticks, I literally haven't been able to stop using them, and that is these Clinique lipsticks. The proper name of the lipstick, it's a long one. I wish it wasn't this long, I'm gonna be completely honest. Even Better Pop Lip Color Foundation. I mean, it's a lot, but it's the Even Better Pop Lip Color Foundation. The shade that I've been using the most is called Mink number 28. It's currently what I have on right now. It's this really gorgeous, rich chocolate color. I feel like it looks beautiful with my skin tone. I just love the packaging. I love that the lipstick matches the outside packaging. So I wanted to make sure to include it because I feel like this time of year, you can really get away with wearing these darker color lips and these more rich colors. So I really wanted to make sure to include it, and I know it's something that you guys have been asking me a lot about. So here she is, and I really like it. And honestly, I haven't tried a lot of Clinique products. I have used their skincare, but I was shook with how much I really love these lippies, so I highly recommend them. I think you should definitely go and check them out and put them on your list if you are liking this darker color that I've been wearing. The next product I actually want to recommend is a little bit of a skincare product, and it's from Kylie Skin, believe it or not. I know you guys saw me kind of do my really in-depth skincare review of Kylie Skin, and I have to say, this Kylie Skin Hydrating Lip Mask is one of the best lip masks I've ever used. It's been keeping my lips really nice and juicy and hydrated, especially this time of year. It's super dry where I live in LA in the Valley. It's really dry. You have to turn the heat on this time of year, so it makes it even more dry. So I really have been loving this. It looks like any normal lip mask would look. However, it's not really goopy, and it's not really heavy. I really like how lightweight it feels, and I really think that Kylie did a really great job. As you guys know, I really am a huge fan of Kylie's lipsticks and her lip products. So it only makes sense that obviously she would come out with an amazing lip mask. And I actually like this even better than the Tatcha lip mask. I feel like this is not goopy, it's not too heavy, and I'm in love with it. So wanted to make sure to include that on this bitch as well. For an eyeshadow palette, I really, really, really wanted to recommend the Colourpop Bare Necessities. You guys saw me do an entire review of this palette. Judging by how dirty this palette is, you can obviously tell how much I use it. I think it seriously is one of the best palettes that Colourpop has come out with this year. You have so many looks that you can create in this palette, and again, it's only $30, which is incredible. As you guys do know, I do have discount codes with Colourpop, Morphe, Lilly Lashes, Baddie B Lashes. So I list all my discount codes in the description bar down below, so make sure to take advantage of those this holiday season as well. I do receive a slight commission, but you guys get a discount, so it's a win-win for both of us. But I really feel like this palette is everything. You can create so many different looks. You could do your more daytime neutral look. You can then go into your little vampy colors. You have hues of burgundy. You have some darker colors here you can make a smoky eye with. I really am a huge fan of this palette, and I travel with it a lot and I use it a lot, so I definitely wanted to make sure to recommend it because I do really like it. Adding another eyeshadow palette onto this list is actually a new palette that just got released that I'm currently wearing on my eyes. It's from NARS, and I really love this palette, you guys. It's got some really pretty glittery shades in here that you can really top on. That's what I have on my eyes right now, and I'm really, really in love with this. This eyeshadow palette is called Afterglow, and I really like the packaging packaging as well. Again, I know that these palettes that I'm recommending are more neutral tones, but I do feel like, especially now, like soft glam is more poppin' than it ever has been. So I wanted to recommend this. I know this is a little bit more pricey compared to Colourpop, but I have been using this palette and I do really like it. I do think it swatches well. The shimmer shades are beautiful in it and I will continue to use this. So I wanted to make sure to pop on another eyeshadow palette on the list of things that I recommend. Getting into another holiday kit, this is from Fenty Beauty and it basically includes the most popular shade, that Kilowatt shade that everybody loves. They created like a whole basically situation around it, all in that like iconic gold shade. I am a huge fan of this gold shade. It also comes with a Fenty gloss bomb. You get an eyeliner and a gold lipstick. I just love this. I love this shade a lot, and when it first came out, it was like everything, and I remember everybody did like a bunch of really cool looks with it. I really love, actually specifically Desi Perkins did a really pretty look with it. This I just feel like is really awesome to try if you want to try out, and also I feel like this will be awesome for my people of color out there. You know, this definitely works beautiful on deeper skin tones, so I wanted to include this because I really love Fenty Beauty and this is really up my alley for me. I'm such a gold girl, and you could even use this on your body. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You could use it as like a little, like obviously a highlight. You could use it anywhere, so that's why I wanted to include it. And also, something that I already unboxed that I don't really have is the gloss bombs, the Fenty Gloss Bomb like holiday package. I think that that's really awesome. I love the gloss bombs. Oh my god, the Fenty glosses are everything. So make sure you pick them up. Pick them up. I'm not kidding. They're so good. They're so good. Okay, so moving on to more skincare. So I wanted to say that Tatcha has some really beautiful skincare holiday gift sets, and I would say like anything that you try from Tatcha, you will most likely be happy with. I would say take advantage of any discount stuff that Tatcha does have, because I know that they are a little bit more expensive, and I would definitely try out one of their holiday sets. Next up, we have this Bliss Spa Squad mask kit. These are a bunch of different masks. You have a green tea, a pumpkin power, watermelon, and mighty marshmallow. These are all really amazing and serve as a really great gift. You know what I'm saying? Like, that way you could try out all different masks. You could see which one you like the best, which ones are your favorite. And even I would even recommend, like, this is a really great gift to give to a skincare lover out there. I think it's really cute and it's super affordable. I love the packaging, and yeah, wanted to make sure to include it. Next up, we have Erno Laszlo. Oh my god, I always say their name wrong. But this is a holiday gift set of their under eye masks. Now, this is a little bit bougie, I get it, but their under eye masks are incredible. Like, they are probably the best under eye masks that I've ever used out of my entire career of doing YouTube, and I wanted to include them because you do get a lot of masks here. I think there's 12 or 13 masks in here. That's like a lot. And I would definitely recommend putting this on your list, bitch, because 2020, we don't want to have no bags under our eyes. The only bags we want are going into our bank account, if you know what I'm saying. And of course, you guys know I'm a sucker for things that like hang on the tree, and I wanted to include this Nug Winter Fix Hydrating Gel Face Mask. This is a really good face mask as well. It's a bit more on the affordable side, and I do really like Nug products. This is a little bit different for me. I wanted to recommend a hair care product. This is the IGK Flight Club Dry Shampoo Travel Set. You get 3 different types of dry shampoos up in here. This one is a charcoal one. This is for a medium cleanse level, and this one is more of a like daily, lightweight, invisible dry shampoo. So I feel like all of these dry shampoos are such a good gift or good thing to put on your holiday list because I really just love them. I love IGK products. I think they have some of the best hair care products out there, along with Amika. I really love those 2 brands so much, and I got this in the mail and I was like, oh my god, this would literally be the best holiday gift ever. Like, I would be so stoked if someone gifted me this because I'm constantly using dry shampoo. I'm trying to like not wash my hair as often. I'm trying to really only do it like twice a week. This definitely does help me out, and you know what, it actually adds a little bit more of volume to my hair because my hair is super flat and thin. As you guys know, I talked about on my Instagram stories the other day, I feel like this part of my hair right here is getting so thin. It makes me so self-conscious, but these definitely do help with a little bit of volume as well, so I really like them. I also wanted to take the time to support two of my really good friends in the industry, Laura Lee and Manny MUA. I really wanted to just recommend anything from their brands because I know that they've been doing really amazing holiday sales, and I also really just genuinely like their products, and I love to support influencer brands like that, so I really recommend honestly checking out their sales because they really do have a lot of great things. Okay, and the last few things I want to recommend to you guys is actually from Milk Makeup. This is their Flex Highlighter. I normally use the shade Iced. This one right here is called Blitz. I really think that they are some of the best highlighters that have come out in 2019. I love it. I can't get enough of it. So I really wanted to recommend a nice bomb highlighter for y'all. For brows, I have been using Oma Beauty a lot. I just ran out of actually their little brow blowout. I have to buy more of it. They have some of the best brow products. Like, I was shook that they came out with like really great brow products. I was like, okay. So I think definitely if you're looking for some new brow products, try out Oma Beauty. I really love their brow blowout, and this right here is their brow pencil called Baby Hairs. For liner, I have to recommend my House Labs. It is a felt tip eyeliner. I use it every single day. I absolutely adore it. I think it's one of the best felt tip liners out there, and oh my god, it is so good, and it makes doing your eyeliner a lot easier too. Like, I can really get in and make a really thin wing if I want, or a thick wing, so I really like it and had to recommend it. I also think little things like this are so cute from like Fenty Beauty, just like things that you can hang on the tree. Like, I don't really remember where I said it, but I was saying that like if I had like a daughter, or like if I lived with my sister, or like, you know, whatever it may be, I would like totally gift someone like a mini makeup tree and just put like a couple of cute little ornaments on it. And this one right here is Lil Stunna. This is one of the best shades from Fenty Beauty, so I wanted to really make sure to include it. It's another really dark vampy color that you guys will probably really like if you like these brown colors that I've been wearing. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little holiday gift guide. Leave me a comment down below what is on your holiday list. I'm so curious. And as far as my holiday list goes, honestly, I just want like health and happiness. Like, I just want health, happiness. I just want my mental health to be good in 2020. I want the dogs to be good. I want Riley and I to be good. You know, just everything. So that's kind of like, I'm a little bit more sentimental that way. I'm a really big gift giver, but I don't really like getting gifts. Is that weird to say? Like, I love giving gifts. I don't know. I'm really picky with gifts too. I get so uncomfortable opening up presents. I just love giving gifts. I love giving gifts. I'm a gift giver. Like, that is my love language. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Make sure you check out my Vlogmas, you guys. And I love you so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.